Imagine seeing Michelangelo's 5-meter David without it leaving Italy, thanks to mind-blowing 3D tech. Denmark's biggest art show in 150 years is here. Hey, art lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something epic, the Michelangelo Imperfect exhibition at Denmark's National Gallery, SMK. This is the most complete showcase of Michelangelo's sculptures in over 150 years, and guess what? They didn't ship the massive David from Florence or the Genius of Victory from Palazzo Vecchio. Instead, they've got 40 jaw-dropping 3D replicas, crafted by Madrid's Factum Arte studio, bringing nearly all of Michelangelo's surviving works under one roof. How'd they do it? Factum Arte used LiDAR and photogrammetry to scan every detail. Then 3D printed them in resin before casting them in marble composite, mimicking the Carrara marble Michelangelo loved. The result? Copies so real you'd only spot the difference by touch. Curator Matthias Wivel calls it a bold experiment, blending high-tech with 20 original drawings and clay models from the Renaissance genius himself. Michelangelo, the 15th century legend, carved emotion into stone, think twisting figures and daring poses. This show also nods to history. Back in the 1800s, plaster casts were all the rage, like the ones at the Louvre or Chicago's Art Institute. Factum's founder, Adam Lowe, says these replicas look identical under gallery lights, bridging art and tech in a way that's pure magic. Want to see David without booking a flight? This is your shot. What do you think? Does 3D art hit the same as the real deal? Drop a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe for more art adventures.